So our outdoor cushions can get really mucky, from pets to children, the weather and spills. This can leave stains and marks on your cushions, and today I'm going to show you how to clean them. You will need a cloth, a soft bristle brush, a hard bristle brush, and a towel for drying. Fill a bowl with warm water and then add detergent. Find a clean, dry area to wash the cushions. If your cushion cover has a zip, remove it to clean it. Dip the cloth into the soapy water, wringing out excess liquid. Wipe over the entire surface of the cushion. For even more stubborn stains, use the hard bristle brush. If it hasn't got a zip, just clean it as it is. Use a towel to remove any excess water before hanging it up to dry on a clothesline. Then go and grab yourself a drink whilst you wait for it to dry. If you're going to store them straight away, make sure they're completely dry before you do so. If you'd like to see the video of where I show you how to clean this furniture, click here.